SwapCoffee, how to use this trading platform. Let's dive into SwapCoffee, the trading platform that's been gaining traction in the market. If you're considering joining, here's a quick look at its features, usability, and whether it's worth your time. For the platform overview, SwapCoffee is designed for traders looking for a fast and intuitive way to trade commodities, cryptocurrencies, or stocks. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. It offers real-time market data, allowing you to make quick trading decisions, and low fees for the competitive transaction fees compared to other platforms, and security. SwapCoffee employs strong encryption protocols and two-factor authentication for user accounts, keeping your assets safe. For usability, it's accessible on both desktop and mobile devices, making trading on the go seamless, and fast execution speeds, ensuring you never miss out on trades. For the community and support, the platform boasts a solid community of traders, and the support team is responsive with various tutorials to help you get started. So if you're looking for a reliable low-fee trading platform, SwapCoffee might just be your next go-to. Check out the link in the description to learn more or sign up today. Thanks for watching.